Before buying running boards for your Tacoma, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are talking about how not all boards are created equal, and the differences can really make or break your experience. Product number 1: SMANOW Drop-Down Running Boards. The SMANOW drop-down running boards caught my eye with their sleek design and impressive build. Priced at $198.98, they offer a solid combination of style and functionality. If you want easy access to your Tacoma while ensuring safety, this is worth a serious look. The heavy-duty steel construction with a dual-stage textured black powder coating makes them not just stylish, but also resistant to wear and tear. The 4.7-inch drop-off is a game-changer for getting in and out of the truck, especially if you're carrying gear or have kids in tow. And with a load capacity of over 450 pounds, they're ready to handle whatever you throw at them. Now, some users mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, if you have basic DIY skills, you'll still find it straightforward. Just make sure you have a helping hand for proper alignment. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and ease of access. Skip this one if you have an access cab version, as it won't fit. Overall, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the installation instructions are a concern for you, the next option might be even better for straightforward setup. Product number 2: OTHOWE Running Boards. Next up are the OTHOWE running boards, which really impressed me with their sturdy build and sleek design. Priced at $199.99, they deliver a great balance of strength and style. If you're looking to enhance the accessibility of your Tacoma, this is definitely worth considering. These boards are crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel and are built to last. They feature a drop-down style that makes entering and exiting the vehicle a breeze, especially when you're loaded down. The non-slip tread provides extra safety, which is crucial when it's raining or muddy. With a weight capacity exceeding 450 pounds, you can trust these boards to support you and your passengers without any worries. That said, a few reviews pointed out that they can be a bit slippery in wet conditions. But honestly, if you choose the right footwear, it's not a deal breaker. The value you get for the price makes them a fantastic choice. This is ideal for you if you want something durable that's also easy to install. Skip this if you're looking for something more rugged or have specific styling needs. Overall, it's a great investment for daily use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for modern aesthetics. Product number 3: COMNOVA AUTOPART Aluminum Running Boards. The COMNOVA AUTOPART aluminum running boards are definitely a standout, especially if you have a newer Tacoma model from 2024-2026. At $199.99, they combine style with great functionality. If you want to keep your truck looking sharp while adding practicality, this one is worth a look. The 6.5-inch step width provides plenty of space for your feet, and the unique powder coating with a touch of glitter truly makes them visually appealing. Plus, they support up to 500 pounds, so you know they can handle some weight. However, some users noted that they didn't like the glitter finish. Here's the thing, though, if you prefer a more understated look, this might not be for you. But for those wanting a stylish touch, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want something modern and visually striking. Skip this if you prefer a traditional look or have an older Tacoma. For the price, it's a solid choice for those with newer models. Now, if flashy isn't your style, the next option focuses on function and durability. Product number 4: Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards. Next up are the Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards, priced at $199. These really stood out to me for their practical design and solid construction. If you want something that offers both stability and function, you should consider these. This means greater stability, which is crucial when you're stepping in or out. The seamless construction keeps dirt and water away, ensuring they last longer and maintain their rugged appearance. And with a weight capacity of 500 pounds, you can feel secure using them. Some users did mention that they had trouble with the fitment for non-access cab models. Honestly, if you have the right cab type, they're a great option. Just make sure to check compatibility before buying. This is perfect for you if you have an access cab and need a solid, practical solution. Skip this if you have a double cab as it won't fit. They offer tremendous value for the money. Now, if you're after something a bit more stylish and sturdy, our next pick might catch your eye. Product number 5, APS Stainless Steel Pocket Steps. Lastly, we have the APS Stainless Steel Pocket Steps, priced at $239.99. These boards really impressed me with their rugged design and premium finish. If you're looking for something that combines durability with a sleek look, this is worth checking out. Made from stainless steel, these running boards are built to withstand the elements. Plus, they support up to 500 pounds, which is perfect for heavy folks or gear. The installation is straightforward, with all mounting hardware included, making it accessible for anyone. That said, a few users expressed concerns about the price being a bit high compared to others. Here's the thing, you usually get what you pay for, and the quality here speaks volumes. If you're serious about durability, it's worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a premium feel with lasting durability. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as there are cheaper options available. Overall, these boards provide excellent value considering their build quality. So to wrap things up, we've looked at the SMANOW drop-down running boards, OTHOWE running boards, COMNOVA AUTOPART aluminum running boards, Tiger Auto 3.5 rider running boards, and APS stainless steel pocket steps. Each has its strengths depending on your specific needs, be it style, durability, or ease of installation. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your Tacoma model and enjoy the added convenience.